Hello, this is Sergeant Stotz again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, let's have some fun today, because this is test War Robots test 0.405. It is the latest, and I'm gonna look where. Okay, it is presently 8:37 p.m. Sunday, February 11th, 2018, and that is when this test is being ran. So that's today. It's going on as we speak, and we are doing it, and you're going to watch it being done. So we're testing 3 new robots. Prototype Hellburner, very interesting. He has the ability to overload. It won't tell me anything. Well, yeah, okay, there you go. Anyways, here you go. You can pause it here if you want to know more about this guy. Anyways, yeah. Kind of not sure if I like it or not. The guy's kind of suicidal. At the end of this period, the robot explodes. Well, okay. Anyways, you want to read this. So pause it and read it. And then get back to me and we'll carry on. So anyways, here we go again. We just talked about the Hellburner. Oh, and we're testing prototype weapons. You've seen the Gust on a previous test. If not, then it's right before this on my YouTube channel. So here we go again, and we're going to test the Mercury Helldive ability. Pretty interesting, the Helldive ability. Not telling me anything about it, but anyways, I can tell you it does quite a bit of, well, I believe it's 30% damage or something. I don't know, depending on, of course, the bot, but approximately is what I'm looking at when it does this Helldive. What it does is it flies. It jumps somewhat. I don't know, I suppose maybe as far as the Griffin, but it is more of a fly than a jump. Then the jump button, well, you'll see it turns into a down button. You hit down and it slams itself into the ground, causing a small explosion, and it blows up it damages the bots around it. It's good for a group of them. You can be a little suicidal with that. When she gets weak, just run in there and blow her up. Anyways, here we go. Number 8 Gusts. The Pursuer's an interesting one. His ability is Hunt. The Hunt ability is pretty interesting. He runs for approximately 7 seconds and moves like a cartoon character. It's that fast. I like it much more than the Dash bots. And anyways, here we'll get a look at that. You'll get a very good look at these, I hope. I'll do my best to show you that. I'm a bit suicidal on these missions when we're doing testing and I'm recording it for you because I don't want to stretch it out and last all day. The Ballista, very interesting weapon too. It's 1100. Well, here you go. There's the specs, and again, you can pause if you want to see that better. The Vortex, we're testing it. I don't know if I'm going to have time to show you that tonight, but anyways, we tested it on a previous test, so if you really want to see it, check the previous test on my channel here. And here we go. I pulled a Butch out of my bunch there and put put thermites on it. Everything here is level 8, and as you can see there, thermites 350. You got to get kind of close, and it's heavy, so we're carrying it with a heavy bot, the Butch. And okay, so let's get straightforward and up to things. Here we go. As you've probably seen, these tests take a little longer to search for players in most cases than the game. This one is certainly taking longer. It's very rarely over 40 seconds. If we get there, I apologize for that. You can click a little forward on there. Okay, battle begins. So yeah, right around 40 seconds. About as long as it usually takes at the longest. So let's start with the prototype Hellburner, just because it's our first one in a row, and we'll see if we can have some fun with that. Obviously, I've got him set up as a knife fighter, so he's got to get some close range here. And yeah, he's got the suicide ability, is what I like to call it. It's the ability to explode. It works on kind of 2 different levels. You'll have to see it to see what I'm talking about, but let's get up there. Seems like a long walk because this is not a fast spot. I'm hoping it gets faster once you pass level 8 with it. Once it sees the street. Okay, what do we got here? Let's get in there and confuse him and use his ability. You gotta really concentrate on targeting. There's that ability. Go. Let's do it again. Oh, I didn't get him in the circle there, but we got him in it. Got him in there that time, so let's go back at it again. And now we're going to go with the Mercury, the Helldive ability. As you can see, it's got the up button. It launches itself. I have it loaded with a couple of aphids and the new thermite weapon, which I really like this weapon. It works well with the aphids. Now, the idea with him is he can jump. When he jumps, this arrow will flip over once he starts flying, and you can hit that whenever you want, and he will launch himself straight at the ground with good force. That's one of those suicide bots. Again, I'm a little bit suicidal because we're testing. I'm going to try to get him up there so I can show you his ability. So, somebody got a little piece of me showing me their ability. So, we got damage out of that, but I wasn't really able to express it. Got somebody shooting me in the butt. I am aware of it, but it isn't going to do me any good turnaround. Don't have time for a die and after. So anyways, here we go. Back at it. Interesting, aren't they? They are a lot of fun, these bots. With 3 level 8 gusts do a lot of damage. I'm going to keep it moving pretty quick here now so that you can't get hit so easy. I know I'm going to die, but hell. Okay, here we go. Alright, the Ballista, long-range weapon. And, you know, with most of these weapons they got here, it's going to be interesting because they are energy weapons. This shield is not going to do squat. Trying to let it load up all the way so you can see what we can do. Darn it. I am trying to make this not last all night, folks. I don't want you to have to get bored with it. Okay. Might as well stand proud, although anything hits me is probably going to be an energy weapon. And right there. Took him out of the game. So yeah, we did pretty good with that, didn't we? And I love that reload sound. They really put some work into these things. You gotta hand it to the guys that picks on it. Let's see how it does against this energy shield. Okay, full load. Boom. Didn't do a whole lot to it, did it? But anyway, he's got a shield besides that. I am impressed. Every time I'm impressed, they buff the weapon. This guy's got on cloak sometime, right? Oh, yeah, now he's stashed. Oh. I took a piece of him that time, so yeah. Whoa, what do we got going on over here? Somebody's sneaking up. think I hit the pole. Stuck in a pipe. There we go. Alright. Gotta love that work. The thermite. I intentionally wanted to. Well, yeah, I love the fact that it landed me here. Okay. The thermite. I believe it's 350, wasn't it? So I'm not gonna make it up to this guy before he's out of the game. I don't know if it can hit him, he's under a bridge. Now we got a little piece of it. And a little bigger piece of it. I think we had them in a rat hole there. Well, that was a pretty good look at those bots anyway, so, and the weapons. So there you go, that's test point 405, and you can catch me again on here next time a test pops up. So yeah, I'm going to try to keep up with these for you guys. Catch you on the game side, and there you go.